Hello everyone, this tutorial will be very quick explaining how to create a dedicated server for your Godot multiplayer game. I could not find a video that dedicated for this, so this is the one. Alright, so this is my multiplayer game and I'm going to use the same file. This is the first page you will see when you open it as a client, and probably the server will have to go through this. So this is what you have to do in the code. On the func ready, you need to add if dash dash server in OS get command line argument network start server. Basically, this is my server start code. If you want an explanation of this code, watch the video on the card. And then I did another one called defer go to game, and that basically take you to this function which send you to the game part of the multiplayer scene, which is this scene here. This is where all the multiplayer logic and everything happen. I'm just gonna explain this real quick. So I want you to come from home to this page because this is where all the server step happen, like connection, player, blah, 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 blah. All right, so that line is important because you want to leave this home page and go there so you can start receiving your clients. All right, how do you export it? You go to project, export, and then you're gonna add the Linux. And then there is two ways. The easier way is just go to Linux, export, and then save wherever you need to save it. The other way, you can go to resource and then select dedicated server. And here you can select the parts that you want to strip out the visuals and keep the code and stuff like that. You can do it manually. But if you don't know how to do this and you don't want to figure out what you should and what you shouldn't do, then just ignore it, export all project, and then hit export. When you export it, let me show you this. So after you export it, you're going to end up with these three files. You will move them to your Linux server. I'm assuming you already have a Linux server that is ready. And I do have one, and I moved my files here. So those three files. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to schmoot the server file so you can actually run it, because if you didn't, it won't let you run it. And then you will do this code dot slash the file name dash 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 server, that one from the code previously to access the server mode, dash dash headless, and this will make it headless so you don't have to worry about figuring out which one you pick. And then when you do that, your server will run, and then your client can simply connect to the IP address of your server, or if you use a Cloudflare tunnel or whatever. Of course, Cloudflare tunnel will not work unless your server is a TCP server, not a UDP. Basically uses a WebSocket, and now anyone can connect to the server as long as they have the IP address and the port of your server. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe.